welcome to my channel. Today we fill colors in bus. Let's start. First we fill light orange color. I hope kids you like it. Kids, you know, bus is a big vehicle. In bus, there is a big headlights and horn. It has many seats. People sit in a row. Now we fill blue color and windows. There is a driver in a bus and also a conductor. Now we fill yellow color in headlight. Now we fill red color in brake light. Now we fill black color in wheels. Kids, you know, buses come in different colors. In red color, in yellow color, in blue color. Buses have stops where people get on and off. They can travel from one place to another place. Kids, if you want to sit in my bus, then come and sit. Thanks for watching, kids. Bye bye.